bitch. Yo, how you gonna rap your pussy good if your husband knows cheap? How you gonna attack on fashion week? Then get your ass beat, you only get one flow. Can't even skate out of beat, you dumb bitch. Your pussy's damaged, can't even get a faithful meat. That's why you're always ranting and beefing. You gotta cheat to meet, that's why you always want to be. Always lurking on the barbs, always on niggas dick. Now you got GP shit, please no comparison. I got no Patterson, you a nigga fan, bitch, you my stepson. But I don't want no current son. 2 years unpaid, ha 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 ha. My queen is 12 years getting paid. And because of nigga, you getting paid. I'm talking about 360. There you took this